and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. This actually works, guys. It's super insane. So yeah, it's totally updated. Hey guys, what's going on? So today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to download a modded version of the game CarX Street so you can get unlimited money. So as you can see, I'm broke, but when I press this button, I can actually turn on unlimited gold. So now the gold is going to start going up, and I'm going to show you guys how to download this CarX Street modded version onto your device. So let's just wait and see if it goes up, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So as you can see, this is what we got right now. So hopefully it starts rising. And then I'm going to show you guys how to download this, and as you can see, guys, there it goes. So I'm going to show you how to get this modded version for your device so you can get unlimited, guys. So this is super cool. So let's get into the tutorial. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the browser, and we're just going to navigate to the website tweakmod.com. So let me just type it in right here. So on this site, you're going to see all these apps. So just type in CarX Street, press install. It's going to start downloading the modded version. So before it downloads, there is going to be a verification. So basically what you have to do is download like 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app store, and then you will have the CarX Street modded version on your device. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download here, as you can see. So I'm just going to let it download. Alright, so let's just see what happens. So it's almost done. So let's just give it a second here for this to load up, just so you guys can see. So yeah, there we go, guys. So it's loading right now. So basically at the end it says additional files are required. So this is where we have to do the verification step, which is the last step. So just download 2 of these apps. So we got like TikTok, which says down run for 30 seconds. Then we got this match to win. So this says reach level 11. So it's like a game. So I just got to play through right here, as you can see, until I reach level 11. So then I can go back to the list and do some more. So we got Mode Casino. So this one says install the app and open it. So just do a couple of these, guys. You should be good to go. So that's how to get CarX Street modded version for your device. So I'm going to go to the search bar and just type in CarX Street just to show you guys how expensive the game is. So you do not need the game installed because this is a separate modded version, but as you can see, it's super expensive. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, guys. So yeah, if you're depressed about your CarX Street experience, it's probably because you're low money, to be honest, bro. So yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, just make sure you download 2 of the apps and you should be all set. So yeah, I mean, I've played this game for years and I've had no money, and then once I started getting the modded version, guys, I was like, oh my gosh, this is crazy, bro. So yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself. It works on iOS and Android. I don't think it works for the PC version, but the thing is, if you have an account, you could log into it on PC after you did the download and you should still have the money. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos about CarX Street, because I got no problem making those. So yeah, this is super awesome. So as I said, just make sure you download 2 of the apps and you should be all good to go, guys. So yeah, unlimited money. We got the anti-ban right here as well, so we're not going to get banned. So that's awesome. So yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself, guys. It's super cool. So if you guys have no money in CarX Street, I have news for you. Now we have the modded version, so this is so cool. So we can literally get free money. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but hopefully this tutorial did work for you guys, because I've tried every other video and they're all fake. So yeah, get the word out, guys. This is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another one, but be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super crazy, and yeah, it's legit. So hopefully the video works for you guys. I'm going to see you in another one, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and peace out, my group.